Welcome to Cooking with Khadzi. Hey, yes, she is cute and she can attempt to cook once a year. Let's go, guys. So these are potatoes that I peeled myself, yes, and I sliced them up myself. There were 6 of them. Took a very long time to peel these potatoes, but hey, they done. Those are for our mash. And then we are gonna take some sunflower oil. Is sunflower oil made from sunflowers actually? Because I really love sunflowers. They're my favorite flower. Hint, anyone who wants to send me sunflowers, hey, you'll be my favorite person. I really love sunflowers. Also, please comment down below if sunflower oil actually comes from sunflowers. I really want to know. Or I could just Google it, but I want to know if you guys also know. And my favorite saying is that the only beef you should be having is in the kitchen. Okay. Positive vibes only. Hashtag. Okay, so we are gonna take these cute thingamajiggies, this cubed beef that I got from Spa, and I think I used 3 of them. And also, I should have waited till the oil was heated up a bit more, because that stayed in there for a very long time. And also I realized later that the pot was very small for what I was trying to do, because we're trying to make stew, and this just wasn't working out. It was just, yeah. Okay, and then we're just gonna stir that up. Next up, we are gonna take eggs. Now we are moving on. As the beef is cooking, we are gonna take these eggs and mix them with some sugar. That's a lot of sugar, actually. That's a lot of sugar. And this melted butter that I did not even measure, guys. I just took butter and I think that's a bit much, or could be to know, I don't know. And then ridojarufo. I don't know what this is called in English. I know it's not a whisk, because I don't know. It's that thing that you use to cook up with. And then we're gonna take this brownie mix that I got from the store already made. So yeah, I didn't mix those things together. I didn't mix the brown things. And then we're gonna take some chocolate chips, and we're just gonna stir that. I don't have a whisk, guys. Like, this is a vendor household. That is the only thing we have. Then we're gonna take this cook and bake spray that, honestly, don't spray it when the windows are down, because wow, yeah, we were choking, like, yeah, it kind of kills you. And yeah, we just overkill. We don't want those brownies sticking to the pan at all. I know I should be using a brownie pan, but yeah, we didn't have that. I don't know why. And then we are just gonna, guys, I'm so sorry about this up and down, this movement. I'm shooting with one hand, and then the other hand kinda, yeah, because I lost my stand. I don't know where my stand is. Shit was taken from me. I didn't lose it. Anyway, so that's the pot that I changed pots, remember, for the beef, because that other one was so small. So I took the beef out and then put in some brown onion soup and put in some milk. And then we're also gonna take some water hanty and just put that in. And also the brown liquid things that were there before we started putting all of that, that is the things from the beef, from cooking the beef. And we're not gonna take that out because we still want that beefy flavor. And then obviously garlic. Who cooks without garlic, guys? Garlic makes everything. I don't remember cooking anything without garlic. Like, I just love garlic. I don't know. And then we are gonna take this beef stock from Knorr. Is it Knorr or Knorr? Anyway, whatever that is. We are gonna take Knorrox. Is it Knorrox? Whatever. We're gonna just put that there, and then we're gonna take this beef cube, and I put in a little. Before I used to put in the whole thing, guys, and then it just makes your food so salty, so bad, inedible, like people can't eat it after that. So now I know to use a bit. Now I'm showing you the before and after to show you actually how little I use. And then just keep stirring, girl. Just keep stirring. Hey, we're cooking. And then this rich and beefy from Royce stew mix. I just took that in the store, and yeah, I just put that in. Also, my stove. Everybody knows that, you know. And then these veggies that were pre-cut, because wow, I'm not the type to sit in the kitchen and just chop up veggies the whole day. And yeah, just put that in. Also got the, actually everything here is from Spar. Majority of everything's here from Spar. And just put back the beef. Yeah, and look at how good that is starting to look. So we took a bit more of the Knorr thing. Is it Knorrox True Cube or whatever it is? And brownies are done and dusted, and we are just gonna take those, put them aside. You guys want to stay until the end of this video to show you what happened to those brownies actually the next day. It's hilarious. Anyway, I was feeling myself. I was bragging on WhatsApp. I was just like, ew. Anyway, okay, so chicken breast and chicken spice, obviously, duh, like chicken spice and chicken breast. And we're just gonna overkill. And this, what is that? Garlic and herb rustic. I just saw the garlic and I took it honestly, but yeah, and we are just gonna massage that chicken massage. I like the way chicken feels, you know. I just love the way it feels. And just tap that in, and then spray on the big what is this? A tray. Yes, we are gonna spray on the big tray, and because we don't want them to stick onto the tray, and we are just gonna lay down our chicken pieces. Lay them down. There's a song, Lay Me Down. Oh yeah, by Sansa. Lay me by your side. Okay, and then extra virgin olive oil, and we are just gonna, I think I put in too much of that. Yeah, I think that is a bit much. It's a lot. Olive oil ain't cheap. So yeah, and then this is for the spinach. Look at what your girl did. She just put the whole spinach in. I thought it just gets smaller immediately after you put it in the pan. Apparently not. So I had to take it out, fish it out, and then cut it into smaller pieces. This is after I actually cut it and took off the stems, because I realized what I was doing before was just nonsense. And yeah, go back, check on our stew, and looking so good. And then check if our mashed potatoes are ready. You check that using a fork. Just, poke it. And if it's pokeable, then yeah, that is a masher, and you just mash. But I think I should have waited a bit longer with my potatoes, but it has been hours, guys. I think those things were sitting there for like 2 or 3 hours. And then we add milk so that it is creamy and it's easier to mash as well. Butter, obviously, mashed potatoes when they're buttery. Oh, so good. So good. And a little bit more milk as well. I should have put more as well. Mashing this thing was a mission and a half. It was really a mission. Oh, guys, back to the stew. The stew looks so good. Anyway, that is shrimp. That is baby shrimp. Is it baby shrimp? Oh, yeah. It's shrimp. And we are just gonna mix that in with the spinach. And like, it's already kind of pre-cooked. You're just supposed to heat those shrimp up. And so I didn't really have to put it in the thingy for that long. I defrosted it and then just put it in the pan with some garlic, and it's garlic butter, water, which is steaming up my camera. And oh, doesn't that look good? It looks so creamy. I think I put cheese in there. Yeah, I did put cheese in there. I didn't show you guys that. Anyway, that is our chicken breast that is out of the pan right now, out of the oven, sorry. And then we just gonna lay it on top of the chicken breast. This is our starter, guys. I took some guacamole, put it on the side. I was trying to make it look fancy, but I couldn't. I'm not a chef. Anyway, that is our final product for our starters. This is our final product for our beef stew with a mash. It was so good. Even the chicken was so good. And this was our brownies that we put ice cream on.